out here with Florida Yacht Life. We're aboard the Star Sapphire. It's the only super yacht available for charter in Tampa Bay. They have 4 hours, 8 hours, 6-hour charters available, and we can have a private chef. We have some live music going on. We're super excited.
Guys, this experience has been so amazing so far. We got some amazing cocktails provided to us. We have a charcuterie board in there that we're gonna dive into. The sun is setting perfectly right now. I can't wait to see it later. There's so much room on this yacht. It's the perfect experience. Some of us are hanging out up front, some of us are hanging out up back. Some of us are even hanging out up top with the saxophone player. So you guys should definitely check this out. It's definitely gonna be one of my favorite experiences at U-Nation. If this doesn't scream Tampa Bay, I don't know what does.
Out here with Florida Yacht Life on their Star Sapphire, absolutely gorgeous vessel. Have some drinks, listen to some music, live saxophone player, and able to see the sunset. This is enjoying life the way that you really should be out in Tampa Bay. I can't imagine a better way to enjoy this evening.
For joining us today with Florida Yacht Life. We had the most incredible experience. We saw an unreal sunset, and we really want you to experience it as well. Click the link in the bio to check out all of our best recommendations on how to have the most amazing time.